Good morning, all. Today is 12th of March. Time is around 10 o'clock in the morning. Today, market did a gap down, and the first candle was really furious. There were some good sellers there, and now the market is trying to slightly go up. It's above the VWAP and first deviation. But I'm not comfortable currently looking for an opportunity on the long side. So the plan is like I will wait for some time and see if it is going to sustain above the first deviation of the VWAP. If not, I will see if I can get an opportunity on the short side. All right. I will update once I get an opportunity. Okay. All right. Time is around 10:10. Can see the last 5-minute candle is closed just above the VWAP, and this candle now is trying to give probably a retracement. I'll see if it is not going to close above the first deviation. If not, I will be looking. Okay, now this is, and I will be looking for a short opportunity now. Usually, I don't prefer going short when the price is above VWAP, but looking at this scenario, I can see sellers selling aggressively at lower levels, which means it can probably go down and try to hunt some stop losses, even if it is going above after that. So yeah, I can see some selling coming up now. I will be looking at 23,700 put for the opportunity. Um all right. Anytime now, I may enter. I'll see. Okay, just waiting. Mm, okay. All right. Well, let me 20303 304 around 305 is what I planned for my entry on the option chart. Uh, okay, fine. My first leg is in. I'm just adding my second leg as well. Let it give a small dip. 305, 304. Okay, fine. That's fine. All right. Now, yeah, let me quickly add my stop loss in system. Uh, okay, that's in now and target. All right. 1.45. Okay, fine. So the target and the stop loss, both of them are now in the system. Now let me switch to the option chart. Okay. Price is trading above my entry. I think average, I think I got around 306. Yeah, 306.36 is the average I got. And the stop loss will be 297.6 and the target planned is 321.45. So those are the exit points. Now let us wait and see what happens. All right. Hopefully, because there is immediate VWAP support, but I think it might try to give a little bit of sneak down, and then probably if at all if it is going to retrace. I don't know, but okay, some good pushes coming. Uh, 311, 313. Okay, 313.8, 314. It's a good push. 313, 314, 315. I'm comfortable, as I told earlier as well. I am comfortable looking at the numbers showing at the LTP side in the execution terminal, basically on the one click. If I look at the chart on the done, right, that's a little tempting for me, because that gives a little bit of other thoughts will come into your mind, whether it's going to reverse, it's going to go up, down. So it's always this is my habit now. I have observed that when you actually look at the numbers, you're kind of okay, rather than looking at those uh, red and green candles. Anyway, yeah, let's see what happens in this trade. Okay, it is trying to go up again. 312, 312, 310. uh, let's see. As I told, right, there are tendency for me when I see 10k plus. Okay, okay, let us book this profit. This is again, I mean, anyway, 1:1, and there is VWAP support. It may reverse from there, but I'm somehow suppressing it, because that's the system, right? You have to actually kind of surrender yourself to the system. Then only it will work at ultimately at after a certain set of sample sizes. Okay, now 317. So good push. 317 point something. It went okay. 318. It's 318 now. Okay, this is where I look actually. Okay, this is where I 319. Uh, okay, 318, 317. Come on, man. This is some sort of kind of when you see those good green candle, and you don't want it to fizzle out. Okay, give a spike and get the target. Okay, 319 now. 320 good. 320 point change. 319. Okay. It went to 320 something, which is just 1 rupee left for the target. Okay. The floating targets out, floating profits are always been an issue for me. I mean, gives you all sort of that feeling. Come on, let's book it halfway. Whatever you get, you take home. Those sort of things. I'm managing it. Not to look at that part. Uh, let's see how whatever it is. I'm okay. If I'm losing, I'm gonna lose around 11,000. If I'm getting around. I'm gonna get around 22. Okay, 21. Okay, fine. That's fine. The trade is done now. Yeah, I think there wasn't much slippage. That's 100 to okay, 22,100 and change. That's good. So as I told, this was the trade. I waited for it to give a little bit of a retracement to the first deviation, and then on the way down, I took this trade. It was a good trade anyway. So these are my entries, two-legged ones, two buy and one sell. I went in with 1,365 quantities, and yeah, here is a snapshot. All right, I will do a quick journal and then probably gonna come back. Okay, let's see how it goes. All right, time is around 10:33. If you see, yeah, it gave a bounce of the VWAP, and it's a big candle, 72 points, and trying to go up. Actually, there is some news coming out, which says Iran allows Indian ships soil tankers to go through. So when it comes to news, order flow won't be that normal. So I think it's better to stay away. If you look at the VIX, I think might come down a little. Let's see. Yeah, I think VIX is coming down a little. Not a little. Yeah, it's crashing down. So probably they might be spike upside or downside, potentially to the upside, but it can And by the way, this was the trade we took in the morning. Look at the exit. Exactly from that point, it got reversed, right? There's a big candle I was talking about. All right. I think I'm stopping it for the day. Probably not sure because there's some news around. So I'm not that good at trading news. So I will come back tomorrow. Till then, trade safely. Bye bye. See you all tomorrow then. Okay. And one more thing, let me know of how can I improve, if there is any feedback, if how can I be more useful to you all. Let me know. Please put down something on the comment section. I'll check. I know I'm only talking to a small bunch of people, but yeah, I'm happy to take a look at any feedback you guys give. Okay. Bye bye then. Safe trading. Bye.